Many online resources provide information on the skills that a successful entrepreneur must have before starting a business. But too much information can be confusing and you may not know what skills you must learn before starting a business. So today I decided to tell you the 3 fundamental skills you need before you start a business. The first skill you must learn is sales communication. Especially for those with a personal brand, sales communication is essential to getting the right message in front of the right customers. For any business you want to start, you must every time optimize your sales communication because only you have the complete vision of your business, and you know better than all the values and the principles on which your business is based. But to achieve effective sales communication, you must first learn to listen. Having the ability to listen to people helps you to understand the customer's real problems and develop empathy. The higher you listen to people, the better you can communicate the benefits of your product or service to solve customers' problems or needs. And most important, sales communication will help you sell without struggle. You will enjoy selling because you understand the customer, and the sale will be like recommending something to your best friend. The second skill you must learn before start a business is focus. Throughout my entrepreneurial journey, one way I've developed a thicker skin is by keeping my focus on being present in the work, even when it's challenging. I accept challenges, setbacks, and uncertain outcomes as part of my entrepreneurial journey to achieve my goal. Having an attitude of acceptance rather than resistance helps me maintain forward momentum. The truth is that there will always be another goal on the horizon once the next one is achieved, and another challenge when the next one is overcome. The key to overcoming negative emotions when challenges arise and continuing to improve every day is practicing being present and doing the best work. Many business owners try many things before a business succeeds, and the same could happen to you. Be prepared for adversity and prepare for it mentally so you don't feel unmotivated to keep going. Remind yourself that it's okay to get it wrong and to keep trying until you get it right. The third skill you must learn before start a business is resilience. It's very important. As an entrepreneur, building resilience is essential to overcoming adversity and achieving success. For example, during the early days of Airbnb, Brian Chesky, the co-founder, faced significant challenges when they struggled to gain traction and raise funding. He and his co-founders resorted to selling cereal to make ends meet while they worked on growing the business. By embracing the failure, staying positive, building a support system, taking care of yourself, and planning for the future, you can build resilience and persevere through difficult times. If you want to become a successful self-employed consultant or entrepreneur, please subscribe to my channel. I intend to build the largest community of entrepreneurs where we can support and grow each other, and I'm glad if you want to join. Bye.